Game launch blocked by the Unity IL2CPP Build Logic Embedded Linux DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. Ensure your Unity IL2CPP Build Logic Embedded Linux environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Unity IL2CPP Build Logic Embedded Linux, a critical build logic module for Unity games targeting embedded Linux platforms using the IL2CPP backend. While primarily for devs, its presence manages localized memory marshaling for specific cross-platform builds. If corrupted, the game will crash during the loading screen, citing a scripting engine load failure. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Errors involving Unity IL2CPP Build Logic Embedded Linux DLL typically suggest that the Unity engine files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Unity IL2CPP Build Logic Embedded Linux. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Unity IL2CPP Build Logic Embedded Linux DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Unity IL2CPP Build Logic Embedded Linux-related documentation. If this fix repaired Unity IL2CPP Build Logic Embedded Linux dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.